Hey guys and gals, it's Sweet Project Cars, a cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer. Today, it's absolutely beautiful in Pensacola, Florida. It's hot already, and I think it's like 9 o'clock in the morning, and the sun is baking the skin off the side of my face already. Hey guys and gals, again, we're here. We've got another great idea for you. We've had some comments come in over the last few years, and we don't have a boat channel, so I figured I'm going to share with you something that a lot of boaters, a lot of you guys that do fishing, you're probably fishing more right now to try to offset the grocery bill that's out of this world right now, and we all know why. But anywho, I contacted our people, our golf cart people, and asked them if they could send us and give us a couple of bucks to share this with you. And I think you're going to really be impressed with this, because we are. But when I get to buy a boat, my wife said I could buy a boat, and you hear that, my wife said I could. That's pretty cool. I'm going to get me a Sea Hunt or something like that, or smaller, something I can use a really good trolling motor on. But when you live on the Gulf of Mexico, when you're a hop, skip, and a jump from the Gulf of Mexico, you got to do some fishing. That's going to be my semi-retirement hobby: boats, muscle cars, RVing,
motorcycles,
all kinds of stuff. I got a lot of hobbies. Okay, so here I want to share this with you real quick. This is probably the best you'll ever get your hands on. Don't mind me being barefoot, because nobody wears shoes. Again, in Florida, everybody goes around barefoot. Now this thing is really cool, and all the specs will be in the description of the video. You've got to see the specs on this thing. Right up here in the corners of the video are going to be the contact numbers. Give these guys a call. They're amazing. Their customer service is unbelievable. They'll help you and point you in the right direction. They've got the best golf cart batteries, and as far as I'm concerned, the absolute best trolling motor batteries. Comes with your gauge here to plug in, and you just unscrew this little blue thing right here, plug that in, and it tells you your meter on how much battery power is left. Nice long cord, and they have all kinds of chargers. This one worked great. It comes with the screws to bolt this down, and you get a plug in here. You can connect it directly to the battery. Now, one of the really cool parts of this battery is it's not very heavy. I mean, it's heavy, but not real heavy. 5-year warranty on this bugger. But check this out. This is really cool. Not sure if you can see that real well, but it has a Bluetooth app, and it connects by hitting this button right here. When you hit that button right there, there's your Bluetooth, and it tells you your amount of life left in the battery as far as your charge, and all the specs, all your cells, everything. That is really cool. So when you buy one of these, don't get a cheap one. This is the best you can buy. This is the Lamborghini of trolling motors without the Lamborghini price. And again, when you put this in your boat and you use it, you'll see what I'm talking about. The reviews on this are outstanding, and it, like I said, it's not very heavy whatsoever. And when you can monitor the Bluetooth on it to find out what your power is, that's an amazing little option there with that app. Epic on your phone is the name of the app. What was that, Consuelo?
Where can I find the link for this?
Well, up here in the corners, as I pointed before, up in the corners of the video are their phone numbers, and you just call them. Talk to them. They'll point you in the right direction. Maybe you don't need one this big and powerful. Maybe you want to go down one. Maybe you want one bigger and more powerful. They will help you out. I can't tell you enough. If you're looking to buy something for someone that loves fishing, has a trolling motor, say they got a bass tracker or something like that, this is the one to get right here. And it's all lithium. That's the cool part of it. So call these guys and talk to them, and they'll point you on to the battery that will work best for you. These are what I'm going to be using. Sweet Project Cars out.